Brother asked the question that if you are Muslim, you want to achieve the purpose of life, you have to follow the Quran. There's the Islamic law, there's law of hudud. How do you practice it? Brother, in the Quran, there are some guidelines which every individual Muslim should do, and some are guidelines of society. First, you have to see to it that are you following the guidelines what Allah has told to an individual Muslim? Praying, believing in Tawheed, fasting, giving zakat, all these are individual. Regarding the law of hudud, this is about government laws. Allah will not ask you and me who are not involved in the government that whether you practice the hudud or not. That hudud law is only if you have an Islamic society completely. If you have, then you have to follow. As an individual Muslim, first you have to see all those laws which you as an individual human being are following or not. There are some laws which are punishment. It is not required for every individual Muslim to give punishment to the other Muslim. That's only required by the Islamic authorities. And that is not to be followed in every country, only if the country in which the Muslims are in majority or in total majority or whatever you can. But if the country is in majority, yes, you should strive to achieve that level. But as an individual Muslim, you and I, first we have to follow that which is the commandment to an individual human being, it's a must. Those which are societal, you should try and improve the society. That doesn't mean you should not try and implement the Islamic Sharia. So yes, you should try. But Allah will not question you as an individual. Allah will question you on the individual things. But if you ask me, which is the best law to be followed so that you have the maximum peace, it is the law of the Quran. The best time was at the time of the Prophet Muhammad and the Khulafa Rashidin. The least rate of robbery, least rate of rape, the maximum peace was at the time of the Khulafa Rashidin. So if someone wants to implement on a government level, this is the best. But it has to be done in stages. You cannot implement everything if all are not Muslims. If all are Muslims, easy. If more than 95% of the people are Muslim, it's easy. Yet, you have many countries in the world which are more than 95, yet they don't implement. Because all the Muslims may not be Islamic. But naturally the law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the best. There's no better law than the law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hope that answers the question.